This system is a set of tools that combines moving averages and RSI to analyze market trends and strength. It also helps identify key moments that serve as indicators of better market entries and exits. This indicator attempts to merge the best of both worlds, the ability of moving averages to capture trends and the accuracy of the RSI to assess momentum and possible accurate entry points. Let's take a closer look at this indicator to see if it really has potential. We found it on TradingView under the name Trend and RSI Bias Fusion by Debith3. At first glance, we can see two indicators inside the indicator window, and the colored candles. The candles are painted according to the direction of the trend. For this, two moving averages are used, green for uptrend and red for downtrend. The top indicator is an RSI. It measures the speed and change of price movements, helping to identify entry opportunities. Typically, green is for uptrend and red for downtrend. The moment a color change occurs, it is considered an entry signal in favor of the trend. At the bottom, we have a histogram that is painted in 4 different colors. This histogram measures the momentum of the price based on an adjusted RSI. This part of the indicator is intended to indicate the strength behind the price movements by showing the intensity of the trends through colored bars. The longer the bar, the stronger the movement, and the shorter the bar, the weaker the movement. If the bars are upwards, it means that the movement was bullish. If they are downwards, it means that the movement was bearish. The colors reflect different states based on the interaction of the averages used in the candlestick colors with the momentum. The green color means that the move was bullish within an uptrend. If it is dark green, it means that it was a bearish move within an uptrend. If they are red, it means a bearish move within a downtrend, and if they are brown, it means it was an upward move within a downtrend. The dark green and brown color may indicate a probable trend change is approaching. The background of the indicator window is also colored the color of the trend. In the indicator settings, there are 2 main sections, one for the trend preferences based on the moving averages, being able to change the average and the seasonality. And in the other section, we can change the RSI preferences also separately, being able to choose a different seasonality to calculate the trend, and another one to calculate the RSI. In this way, to make a multi-time frame analysis. Now let's move on to the examples of how to take trades with this system. First, we need to configure the indicator according to the type of trading to be performed. For example, for swing trading, we can leave the default settings in a time frame of 4 hours. For day trading, we can set the trend time frame to 1 hour and the RSI to a 5-minute time frame. Something important is that the RSI time frame must be the same as the time frame to be traded, and the trend time frame must be greater than the RSI time frame. This to see a longer-term trend than the current time frame and use the RSI to detect entry and exit points. For example, in this scenario, the 3 main conditions for taking a trade are met. We have an uptrend according to the green candlesticks. The momentum indicator shows green bars as well, indicating an uptrend. Finally, we have a crossover or color change of the RSI from red to green, which means that a price reversal in favor of the trend has just occurred. We place the stop loss below the candle prior to the crossover, and a take profit according to the intuition of each case, of 2 or 3 times greater than the stop loss. For a sell trade, the same but the other way around. The candles should be red indicating a downtrend. The momentum indicator also indicates a downtrend. So look for a RSI crossing from green to red. Once it occurs, this would be the signal for a sell entry. Stop loss above the previous candle to the closing candle, and take profit 2 or 3 times the stop loss. Understanding the basics of the trend and RSI bias fusion indicator allows you to evaluate whether it can be a useful addition to your trading strategy. Its approach helps identify momentum shifts and entry and exit points in the market. However, its effectiveness will depend on how it fits into your strategy and whether it aligns with your trading style and mindset.